Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Salesforce tasks integration for project tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Salesforce account. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the app launcher at the top left. Click on the app launcher icon and type tasks into the search bar. Select the tasks app from the drop-down results. Now, click on the gear icon in the top right corner to access setup options. From the Setup menu, choose Object Manager. In the Object Manager, find and select Task. Once you're on the, click on Page Layouts to view the available layouts for tasks. Select the layout you wish to modify for project tracking. In the Layout Editor, you'll see various fields and sections. To add a field, drag the desired field from the top section into your layout. You may want to include fields like project name, due date, and status. Once you've added the fields, click on Save to apply your changes. Next, go back to the Setup menu and search for Process Builder. Click on Process Builder to open the automation tool. Create a new process by clicking on New. Name your process something relevant, like Project Task Management. Choose Task as the object to monitor for changes. Now, set your criteria by clicking Add Criteria. Define the criteria that triggers the tasks related to project tracking. You could set criteria like status equals in progress. Next, add the action that you want to happen when the criteria are met. Select Create a Record from the list of actions. You can create a record for a related object that corresponds with your project tracking needs. Configure the fields for the new record as necessary. After configuring the action, click on Save and then activate the process. Now return to the Tasks app and create a new task. Fill in the details, ensuring to include the project names and statuses as needed. Once created, you can also view these tasks in your project management tool if integrated. To finalize, review the setup to ensure all fields and automations work as intended. You have now configured Salesforce tasks integration for project tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.